Hey everyone, so I'm super excited. I decided to try out Stitch Fix. So if you don't know what that is basically where you go online and you put in your interest in clothing, you put in your sizes and everything, and then a stylist puts something together for you and they send it to you in the mail, and it's a nice surprise because you don't know what they picked out. So you get to check it out and try it on, whatever, like keep what you want, and whatever you don't want, you send it back. $20, okay? Just $20 is what I spent for this box. And we're about to go ahead and open it up and see what's in there. All right, here we go. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I opened the box up already before I decided I was going to do an unboxing on video. I'm super excited to show you what is in here. All right, so tape is already off. So open this up. First thing you notice, they have their own special box, nicely designed, and it was wrapped in a way prettier way. Anyway, on the side here, it says what to do next. So it gives you a simple, easy to read list of instructions, okay? And they even give you a pouch that you can send clothes back in that you don't like, and it's already pre-stamped. Pretty cool. So let's see what's up. I wasn't entirely sure of my pant size, okay? I actually went to the store after I ordered this and kind of guessed. So I found that I was a 6 petite short. And I just gave a guess of my measurements when I filled the paperwork out for this. And because I didn't have a tape measure to put around my waist. And this is what I ended up getting. 6P. I'm so excited. So they gave me a high-rise skinny jean. I prefer skinny jeans. And I also wanted something to kind of go over my love handles that I'm currently dealing with. So, anyway, here's the jeans, right? And these are like nice quality, thick jeans. Here's the brand. I'm going to show you. It's cut from the cloth. Pretty nice. It even says it here. Got, right? Okay. And here's the back. I'm liking it. Okay, what's up? What else is in the box? Let's see. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Love, love, love. Now, I like to wear camis. Well, not camis. I don't know what you call these things. I'm going to have to Google it. But I wear these a lot because I work in a school. And I like to kind of cover up just a little bit, but not so much that I'm just sweating, right? Just a little something to throw over. So this is what I've got. I'm loving the color. And I'm really, really loving like just the overall design. Okay. Very nice. It feels really good. This is by, let's see. Okay, Love Ellie. Adele 2-pocket pointel. Oh, it's a cardigan. Duh. Cardigan. Okay. I don't know why I forgot the name of a cardigan. That's pretty funny. Okay, okay. Nice little white shirt. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I love the way this feels. Okay, so it's a nice tee. And again, the material is really nice. It feels great. Yeah, it's got a little weight to it. What is this one? It's by Cupio Blush. Okay, so a knit top. And, oh, that's nice. What kind of fabric is it exactly? That's what I'm trying to find out. Okay, well, I'm not sure, but I really like the way it looks and feels. Okay, what's next? Okay, I really love this pattern on here. Totally my style. I would definitely go for something like this. Okay, check it out. Nice and light. Look at that. Okay. You'd be able to see it a lot better if I had an assistant, huh? Oh, that's cute. It's got like a cute little, what do you call that at the end of the sleeve? I would just say it's embellished with a little tie. I like this crossover right here. Again, that's really nice to camouflage the waist and tummy if you're not really feeling what's going on with your body right there. West Key, an Allen surplus tie sleeve, high-low blouse. All right, sweet deal. I like that. Okay, so I've got one more in here. Oh yeah, another great pattern. I love it. This one has a nice surprise to it, actually. So it's like a very light kind of sweater. Okay, so check this out. Looks okay, pretty regular. So bringing back the padded, patched elbows. It's not padded, it's patched. And it feels like it. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. It feels like suede. It's so soft. But okay, here's what's super cool too, is the back of it. Okay, check it out. Check it out, check it out. I like it. That is so different. So these cool looking buttons on the back, and they don't open, it's just design, right? Like, I love it. And each of these shirts too, they're longer, so they again, they cover my midsection and they come down and they cover my butt a little bit, which I'm really excited about. So you could wear leggings and not feel like you're just showing everything. So this one is Pink Clover Abby button back knit top. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try them on for you so you can see how it looks. I'm so excited. I have not tried them on yet. All right, so here we go. All right, so this is the first outfit that I'm trying on. Here's the jeans, which they fit really great. I'm just going to show you like how they fit around my waistline. Okay, I'm super happy. They feel great moving around in them. You see the back, it looks really good. It's flattering. And I'm really loving the cardigan and the white t-shirt mixed together. I mean, there's a lot of variations I can do with it, but check out the cardigan in the back. It's super cool pattern. Love it. Can you see it? Hopefully you can see it, but I really, really love it. And then just with the white tee, so you get an idea of what the white tee looks like. So nice, plain, cute little pocket, and then you can see the back, how it just kind of drapes over. Okay, so that's outfit number one. Let's move on to the next. So here's the next one. Same jeans, different top. I'm in love with it. I don't know, it's super cute. So it looks kind of like tucked in almost in the front, and then it comes down and covers the backside a little bit. Yeah, I don't know, I love it. I don't even know what to say about it. Just the whole thing feels really good. So, all right, I'll show you the last shirt. Okay, here's the last shirt. This is the one that I was showing that has the little elbow patches, right? So it fits nicely. It's light and comfortable. And then here is the back that I was telling you about with the cool little buttons down the middle. Yeah, love it. And again, it kind of goes down and it covers. So that's it for my first box with Stitch Fix, and I'm really excited.